Ellarku vanakkam. Like everyone knows, today here I am, just introducing myself and about my movies. So thank you so much that everyone came here to support me and to know and to the reach people. So thank you so much for that. So that I came here for Marumuga movie, which is like Entertainment Unlimited panel. They called me for just for audition. So that's how I just landed here. And there was like yes or no for me that time. And I really thought, yes, I want to do in Tamil cinema, I want to be in Tamil cinema. So that's how I came here. And I got the Marumugam project through John sir. Again, Uyirukku Uyiraga, which is Vijay Manoj Kumar director sir is there. Again, John sir given me that project. So that's how I started. Experience, yes, I should say this first. என்னன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எனக்கு தமிழே தெரியாது முன்னாடி. இப்போ ஒரு அட்லீஸ்ட் in 1.5 years something is like that now. I should say from the Marumugam, director Kamal sir, he taught me like anything. Before I guess I used to do modeling and all. But Tamil experience like என்ன சொன்னேன்னா ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. லைக் எவ்ரிஒன் லைக்ஸ் தமிழ் சினிமா. சவுத் இந்தியன் தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் எல்லாருக்கும். ஏன்னா நார்த்தில் நீங்கள் பஞ்சாபில் பாருங்கள், ஆக்சுவலி அவன் பஞ்சாபி, ஸோ தட்ஸ் வாய். ஸோ அங்கே என்னென்னா ஷாருக் கான் பாருங்கள், தீபிகா பதுக்கோன் பாருங்கள், எல்லாம் they want to be from the Tamil, they want to start from there. So comes to me, I really love that, and my experience with this, I don't know why I'm so attached with this. So I should say my experience is very pretty cool in Tamil industry. I should say glamour plus homely. And mari actually character irukku, like real life la. So I go for both. What they think, I should say, what they think, it's like they have a beauty, they have everything. I'm not saying South India don't have beauty. They have much, we appreciate, but they are more comfortable to do that. If you ask me, it's my opinion. I need glamour, yes, because somewhere I feel it's important in our career, and in stories, the scripts, it's like that for me. So I go for homely also, I should say. I can't say it's open. It's every character has some limits. So for glamour also has some, the line. So you should not always. If I elaborate, I should say it should not be vulgar. If I say it should, if family or kids or anyone, our family also comes and watch the movie, so they should not feel bad. What is this, and that should not be there. So otherwise glamour is fine. Actually, I like to be going with heroine oriented movies. If you see I choose Marumugam because it's more over the girl. The girl has to run that. Same in Uyirukku Uyiraga, it's also like that. So yes, coming up projects I see in that way, where girls get so much of importance with the message, with the respect, so I go for that. I can't define like that because in the set they were so comfortable kind of, so I can't say only one person, it will be bad then. So I felt they were so comfortable with me, so I didn't get that feeling I'm not comfortable, whether I know Tamil or I don't know my dialogues or whatever. They were comfortable, they are good guys and good actors, so I felt comfortable. Modeling is very much different and acting is very much different. From my perspective is that, because when I was doing modeling, it's only the RAM shows, the designer RAM shows and all, you can do it. But acting is completely different. You live your life in acting, I should say. Modeling, it's not that. And in acting you have so many faces, the crying, the smiley, the love, the romance, the dramatic, everything you have, the fun. So I feel for me it's very different.